Hi, my name's Cara from Behind the Bar, and this is my personal favourite variation of a margarita cocktail, which is a Tommy's Margarita but made with Mezcal. So we're going to go straight in with 60 ml of Mezcal. It's generally a little bit smokier and funkier than tequila, so plenty of complexity of flavour going on there. And then we're going to go 20 ml of agave syrup, and that's a natural sweetener made with the same plant as the Mezcal. And we need 20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then I'm just gonna grab a glass out of the freezer. So a salt rim is entirely optional here, but I feel a little bit cheated if I don't get one. So I like to do a half a rim and then people can decide if they want salt or not themselves. So just wet the outside of your glass with the lime and give it a little dab in your salt. Then we have a nice big chunk of ice. And we're gonna shake our drink. Obviously, if you don't like ice chips in your drink, then you can double strain this, but I'm just gonna single strain it because it's going on ice anyway. And if you're feeling fancy, then a little dehydrated lime wheel to garnish. Mezcal Tommy's, so now you know.